Stand from inside. Sphenoid bone. Okay, sphenoid bone location when we divide the skull inside into three fossa, like this is interior cranial fossa, this is the middle cranial fossa, and this is posterior cranial fossa. Our sphenoid bone is located in the middle cranial fossa. Okay, these are the sphenoid bone. Okay, sphenoid bone. Okay, its lesser wing are also take part in the interior cranial fossa. Now, sphenoid bone we have osphenodale, we have four parts. Okay, first is the body corpus part. Second we have lesser wing. Okay, third one we have greater wing, and fourth one we have pterygoid process, which you can find outside. This is the pterygoid process of sphenoid bone. Okay, now we will discuss each part's formation and surfaces what we have there. Okay, first we will start from body of sphenoid bone. You can come here if because no one was exactly know that this is the body of sphenoid bone. We have six surfaces. This is the superior surface, because if the skull like in this position, okay, this is the superior surface, this is the inferior surface. Anterior surface you can find inside the nasal cavity. Look here, this is the interior surface of body of sphenoid bone. Okay, posterior surface, they are connection with the basilar part of the occipital bone through clivus. Okay, and two lateral surface here. These are the six surfaces of the body of sphenoid bone. Now, one surface, superior surface, we have hypophyseal fossa, then we have scylla thoracica, we have dorsum sali, tubercum sali. These are the four formation of what surface of the body of sphenoid bone? Superior surface. Then we have two lateral surface, this one, and two lateral surface you can find here. This is the sulcus, which we can say this is the carotid sulcus for the carotid artery. Okay, internal carotid artery. Now we have inferior surface of body of sphenoid bone. You can find this is the formation, the one formation, its name sphenoidal rostrum. Sphenoidal rostrum, where you will find this inferior surface of body of sphenoid bone. Okay, then posterior surface you can look here also. Their connection with the basilar part here, with the basilar part of occipital bone. Okay, and here the connection with the basilar part of occipital bone through clivus. These are posterior surface. And interior surface, I told we have, you can find inside the nasal cavity. Look, their connection with the sphenoid bone. Okay, and there we have three formation inside. Okay, these are, here you can see a sphenoidal sinuses, sphenoidal crest, and sphenoidal apparatura or concha. Okay, these are the three formation you can find inside the nasal cavity, and this is the formation of the interior surface of body of sphenoid bone. Okay, these are the six surfaces which we discussed about only in the body of sphenoid bone. Then we have second part. This is the lesser wing. Okay, bony plate. Okay, here you can find optic canal, both side optic canal, and between two optic canal you can find the sulcus groove, optic sulcus. Okay, now here we have superior orbital fissure, where they are between the two bony plates, lesser wing and greater wing. Okay, now this is the greater wing, and greater wing we have four surfaces. This one superior cerebral surface, because they are facing the cerebellum. Okay, here you can look from outside. This is the temporal surface, because they are near to the temporal area. Okay, temporal bone. Then we have orbital surface, the lateral wall. You can see here the small sutures. These are the lateral. They are the lateral wall of orbit. Here is the surface. You can find the orbital surface of the greater wing. Okay, now maxillary surface, you can here, from here you can look, this is the maxilla bone. Okay, and from here they facing maxilla. These are the maxillary surfaces. These are the four surfaces of the greater wing of sphenoid bone. Okay, now the fourth part is pterygoid process, which you can find only in external skull. Okay, sorry, again we will to the greater wing, because here we have some foramina. Look here, this is the foramen rotundum, and this foramen rotundum you can find only in internal skull. Okay, because this foramen rotundum opening in pterygopalatine fossa here. Okay, inside the pterygopalatine fossa they are opening, not opening outside. Okay, then other foramen ovale you can find also outside here. Look, this is a foramen ovale and this is foramen spinosum, both side. Okay, these are formation in the greater wing. Now the fourth pterygoid process which we discussed you can find in external skull. Here you can, this is pterygoid process. Here this is the lateral plate or lateral lamina of pterygoid process. This is the middle plate or middle lamina of the pterygoid process. Between these two plates we have pterygoid fossa, and at the base of pterygoid fossa you can find this is a pterygoid canal. Okay, this is a very simple pterygoid. This is sphenoid bone. We discuss parts and surfaces and each surface formation. Okay.